Let's learn the names of the tools. It's a plier. Repeat after me, it's a plier. It's an electric saw. Repeat after me, it's an electric saw. It's a torch light. Repeat after me, it's a torch light. It's a switch. Repeat after me, it's a switch. It's a nail. Repeat after me, it's a nail. It's a bolt. Repeat after me, it's a bolt. It's a hard hat. Repeat after me, it's a hard hat. It's a hammer. Repeat after me, it's a hammer. It's a screwdriver. Repeat after me, it's a screwdriver. It's an adjustable wrench. Repeat after me, it's an adjustable wrench. It's a handsaw. Repeat after me, it's a handsaw. It's an electric drill. Repeat after me, it's an electric drill. It's a pipe wrench. Repeat after me, it's a pipe wrench. It's a wire cutter. Repeat after me, it's a wire cutter. It's a toolbox. Repeat after me, it's a toolbox. It's a scissors. Repeat after me, it's a scissors. It's a tape measure. Repeat after me, it's a tape measure. It's a tape measure. Repeat after me, it's a tape measure. These are the gloves. Repeat after me, these are the gloves. This is a bucket. Repeat after me, this is a bucket. It's an axe. Repeat after me, it's an axe. It's a wrench. Repeat after me, it's a wrench. These are the goggles. Repeat after me, these are the goggles. It's a screw. Repeat after me, it's a screw. It's a nut. Repeat after me, it's a nut. This is a ladder. Repeat after me, this is a ladder.